Sanibona bafethu, ngifokhuluma ngale game ye-Sundown besides MC Alger kwi-Champions League. Yo bafowethu, what's a very boring game. Like coach, like two coach ama-technicians, and then they believe ukuthi ibhola is maths and stuff. Bafowethu, football, like ngicela ukuphuma ebholeni siye kuma-Springboks. Playing away in home, they will be Springboks. You need to have indlela yokudlala. You can't say because you're playing away manje wena. I know ukuthi egaming there'll be times where your opponent is away and nawe kumele uyimark, but mangabe sekuyisikhathi ukuthi phuma uyodlala bonakala basihamba uyodlala. Siqale nge-Sundowns. Sundowns had Hedulunga on the left. That to me it says okay, la siyasaba ukuthi i-opponent engasingena. And then Cupido did very well, but bafethu uGran Kekana, I mean, I'm not convinced by him. Always Sundowns mangabe upassa behind the defense, uzohlezi uyingozi. I am not impressed mina by him. And then coming to midfielders, we saw basically midfielders are before. What Sundowns did had Mkwena Walende and had Ununos number 10 bese kuba leqhawe number 7. Boy 4 badlala center, and then they will have Umetus, and then they will have Urenas. Okay, so now leqhawe edlala number 7 basically bese begcina sebenza bese i-downs mangabe iphethe iball ibiyenza i-2-3-3-2. You'll have Umdao pushing high, and then Ulunga will cut in bese kuba ileqhawe number 7 bel shift aliza ngaka right more or less ukuzongena endaweni yomdawo uma ngabe bedlala, and then uzoba no uNunos be-interchange naye lapha on that side. So uyena uNunos number 10 bese ubona number 7 bese umdawo. Going to your left bebenganginga kakhulu left because uMetus bamenza more like a second striker for me. So now tell me, does this make sense ukuthi you'll have Umdao pushing high field, and then you'll have a attacking player to come back in the Umdao? That means ukuthi the opponent mangabe iphuma in the Umdao i-pace izomshiya because i-attack alifani ne-defend, and mangabe downs iphethe ibhola going forward ngeke ibe creative enough because Umdao is a defender. I want to applaud Umdao uselungisile iy'nqumo phambili. Sometimes you'll see Umdao going forward across the ball phezulu, he's doing very well ulungisile. And Umetus, if Umetus engalungisa ku-finishing angaba one of best wingers ekhona eSouth Africa njengama, and I'm sure uBruce angabuya mnaka because vele normally right now ama-wingers aba-expect abantu abaningi ukuthi eliminate, but they want them to score because bawabuwa as ama-strikers. So and then coming to Urulani had an approach ukuthi singaba-press iba compact ngaba press as soon as mhlambe be progress to our center, and then press them, and then once ibhola labola kuRolweni, don't press them. You know why? uRolweni yamsaba uRolweni, he knows ukuthi uRolweni uyi-player. So mangabe upress high uyakwazi ukuthola i-pass behind ama-defensive mid. That means ukuthi izoba inkinga in that game. I think it-Downs ibidinga a playmaker umshishi. I know ulimele, but I agree, but I think that game you be thinking playmaker, and man, just play football wisely. Have position. Mangabe uzodlala midfielders awu-4 egamini and udlala ne-team oyibona ukuthi okay i-MC Alger wanted the draw lapha for me. So uyayibona okay during the game. Why second half ungenza ushintsho? Because now you want to ufuna i-opponent ivule. For ukuthi i-opponent ivule, you need to uvule ground so that while ivuleka ithi yokumaka wena you'll occupy ama-spaces. So like I feel like a game was boring, but it-Downs can take a point, but I do believe it-Downs, it-Downs I pressure in this moment. But we need game they do this game away, yes, coming back ekhaya, but one thing for sure, it-Downs must idlala home izoyibhubhise i-MC Alger. I don't know uRulani akanayo i-trust nabadlali bakhe noma akanayo i-capacity, but I really love uThapti. I think uThapti number 21 lapha imidfielder yabo with quality, and lo number 10 yabo leya you could tell ukuthi he's a very attacking player, but we has now drop back and stuff. So both teams have good players, but I think our coach felt the game with this game none. And always they will say Champions League football I find the league. Mina I say football is football. Thank you.